Hey David, good morning.
Good morning, Rose. How are you today?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good too. Did you finish your homework last night?
Yes, I did. The English homework was easy, but math was difficult.
Oh yes, I agree. I also struggled with the math problems.
Don't worry. After school, we can sit in the library and practice together.
That's a great idea. By the way, what did you bring for lunch today?
I brought sandwiches and an apple. What about you?
I have rice and chicken. Maybe we can share during the lunch break.
Sure, sharing food is always fun.
Did you study for the science test?
Yes, I read the chapter about plants. It was interesting.
Really? I didn't read much. Can you help me revise later?
Of course, we are friends. We always help each other.
Thank you, Rose. You're a good friend.
Hey, are you joining the football practice today?
Yes, I love football. What about you?
Of course, I want to be in the school team.
Me too. Let's practice hard together.
Great! After studying, we can go to the playground.
Yes, study first, then play.
Do you remember? Yesterday our teacher said there will be a drawing competition.
Oh yes, I love drawing. I will draw a big playground with many children.
That's nice. I will draw a classroom with students and a teacher.
Wow, that will look good. Let's prepare together after school.
By the way, do you like reading storybooks?
Yes, I love storybooks. My favorite story is about animals.
I also love stories about adventure. Last night I read one about space travel.
Space travel. That sounds exciting. Can you tell me the story later?
Sure, I will. You will enjoy it.
Hey, Rose, look at the clock. The teacher will come soon.
Oh yes, let's sit properly.
Okay, after class, let's go to the library first.
Then we will have lunch together.
And after school, we will play football.
Yes, today will be a great day. Friends forever. Friends forever. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.